Hello, it's Monique and I hope you enjoyed this video. This recipe is one of my favorite ways to have squash. I love roasting squash because, it has a nice savory flavor but a little sweetness from the natural sugars in the squash. And I think that harissa and squash just go really well together. You can use any winter squash in this recipe. I used butternut squash this time, but you can use acorn squash or kabocha squash. I think that's how you pronounce it, kabocha. Any winter squash would do well. And if you can't find a harissa powder seasoning like I have, definitely use the harissa paste because I see that all the time in grocery stores. Just check the international aisle in your grocery store if it has one, and usually that's where it is. So the powder or the paste will be just fine. And definitely make that mint sauce because the mint and the squash and the harissa, it just goes so well together. And be sure to pour the sauce on the squash while it's hot. When it's fresh out the oven, it's best that way. Alright, so I hope you give this recipe a try, save it on Pinterest, save this YouTube video, and visit my website, daytimevegan.com, for the full recipe with the written instructions and measurements. I will see you in the next video. Bye!